Okay, this is where we're going to be putting the new flagstone. This is the bench here that has the back on it. It's going to go outside this existing exposed aggregate. That's where we're putting 2 feet up with the EF block. And then this is just a about a 16-18 inch high bench, 1 course of block. This little bunco here, we filled in that fence back there. There was water, that wrought iron went all the way to the ground and the water was coming in the backyard. And then over here we built another little bench. This is a banco or bench we did or are doing up by the Point Tapatio. You can see the way we cut the block around the stone here. We'll be grouting this Monday. Here's a better view of the little bench here. We'll be pouring concrete in front of that and then putting cool deck over it. You can see the fence again. All right, we got the brown coat on. We're going to be putting the finish coat on, colored finish coat, and then we're going to put a overlay over this old exposed aggregate, and we poured a little more concrete there too. But that's all out of our EF block. This is the other banco or bench. This one we put a couple tables at each end, and it just shows how easy it is to use the EF block. You can carve it, shape it however you want. Again, this has a brown coat of stucco on it. We need to let that cure out, and then we'll put the colored finish coat on it. Here's a little better close-up view of it. And see, that was just wrought iron all the way down. This has got the primer on it. And then over here they're putting the finish coat on. This will be real smooth. Well, we got the flagstone down out here and by the Point Tapatio. Smooth finish on the bench, or the bancos. Here's that other banco or bench. This one has a back and some tables on it on the edges. There it is right there. Looks good, huh? Okay, we got the base coat down now. Now we're going to put the texture coat on top of it. They're getting the cool deck down. This is a little easier way to do it. Instead of shooting it, we just roll it on with that rough roller there. And then after it sets up a little bit, see Shorty there, he's overlaying it, floating it out now. Looks good. The colors look good together. And see, just knock it down like that. We got it all done now. We added the flagstone here, cool deck here, that we put down. I did a rolling technique. That way you don't have to do the masking off and have cool deck shooting everywhere. This is the new bench we built here out of the EF block with the cool deck that's over the exposed aggregate. Back there you can see where we took the EF block and cut out of the center, made them from 10 inches to 8, glued them back together and grouted it. And again, that's going to keep the water from coming down that wash behind. That wrought iron used to go all the way down to the ground. So the homeowner's going to paint this. Got another view of the pool here. Really come out nice. That's the other banco or bench we built at the other end. Some more of the cool deck. And then the other bench we talked about. That's out of the EF block. That's about it. All done. Another nice job out of EF block, earth-friendly building materials, and American framers.